What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Shorts application development series in Android Studio. In last video we have created the project and we have set it up the project. In this video we are going to create sign up activity so that we can create account in our application. So let's design the sign up activity. Let's close everything. Go to our package, new activity, select empty views activity and create activity name. That will be our sign up activity. It will generate layout file, that is activity sign up, and you can click on finish. So we have our sign up activity. Let's go to activity signup.xml, split so that we can see view and code at the same time. So first thing we will do is convert this constant layout to linear layout. Orientation we will set it to vertical so that we can arrange items in vertical. Gravity will be center horizontal, and also margin will be about 16 dp from all sides. Now let's add logo over here. I have already created a logo. I will show it to you. So this will be my application logo. You can create your own logo. Let's copy this and paste it in drawable folder. So go to drawable and paste it. You can change the name. I will make it logo, and here I will import it as image view. So image view width will be about 120 dp, height 120 dp, and source will be our logo. So it is visible over here. Let's give some margin top about 80 dp. So it will be over here. Now below this we will add the application name over here so it will look good. So text view, match parent, wrap content. Text will be our app name, that is mini clip. Gravity will be center. Let's give text size about 22 sp, and also text style bold, and give letter spacing about 0.07. so it will look like this. So we have added image view and text view. Let's minimize this, and below this we will add a linear layout so that we can have everything over here like sign up, email address, password, create password. Those things we will add inside linear layout. So let's make a linear layout. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, gravity will be center, and orientation will be vertical. So inside this linear layout we will add those items. First item will be text view to show which page it is. So text view, match parent, wrap content. Text will be sign up, gravity will be center, text style will be bold, text size will be 32 sp, margin about 12 dp. So we will get to know this is the sign up screen. So below this we will add, I will minimize this text view. Below this we will add edit text so that we can get the email. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, hint will be email so that we can get email from the user. You have to give input type as email, text email address, padding about 12 dp, and margin about 12 dp. So this will look like this. It is looking like this, but I want it as a rounded corner, so I will create one drawable. Let's go to drawable, new drawable resource file. Let it be a rounded corner, and root element will be shape. Click on OK. Here for this shape we will give the shape as rectangle. So this is the rectangle, and we will give corners, radius as 16 dp, and stroke width will be 1 dip, and color will be black. So this is the rounded corner rectangle. So close this and make the background of this edit text as rounded corner. So it will look like this, and it is looking good. So our email field is done. We have to add ID for this. Let's say email input. Below this we want password field and also the confirm password field. So let's copy this edit text, paste it below. Here we have to change it as a password input. Hint will be password, and input type will be text password. So we can hide the password. Let's copy this again. I need another. That will be our confirm password input. Hint will be confirm password, and input type will be text password. So we will be using only these fields. Let's add one button to sign up. So below this we can minimize this edit text. Below this edit text we'll add a button, match parent, wrap content. Text will be sign up, margin will be about 12 dp, and padding about 12 dp. So you can see over here we have the button. So let's give the ID to this button as submit button. Let's say submit button, and below this button we'll create a progress bar. So progress bar will be width will be match parent, height we will give fixed height so that we can replace this with the progress bar. We'll give the same height to button as well, let's say 60 dp. For this progress bar also we'll give 60 dp so that when we replace this with the progress bar it will not flick. Margin 12 dp, padding 12 dp, we have to give same as button so that it will not flick. And we can give ID to this progress bar. So this progress bar will be visible when we are doing the sign up. When we click on sign up it will be visible, but sign up button will be disabled. So in progress bar we'll make it by default visibility as gone so that it won't be visible at start. So we'll minimize this button, we'll minimize this progress bar, and one last thing we will add is text view. So text view width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, text will be already have an account. So if user have already an account, they can click over here and go to login page. So for that we are writing this ID will be go to login button. So you can give any ID. I have given go to login button. So in this way our sign up screen is almost ready. I have this image view and text view over here. In this linear layout I have added this text view, 3 edit text, 1 button, 1 progress bar, and the 1 text button, that is text view. So let's run the application and see how it is looking in our application. If you run this, so you can see we are in main activity. Since we have created the sign up activity but we are not navigating to sign up activity from anywhere. So for now what we will do, we'll go to manifest and here we will change the default launcher to our sign up activity. So how we'll do that? We can change this launcher activity. This is the launcher activity. Change the name it to sign up activity, and this sign up activity will be main activity so that this intent filter is there inside sign up activity. It will start sign up activity. Let's run it again. Now it is the sign up activity. We can input the email address. You can see over here @ option is there because we have added input type at email address. So it will be test@gmail.com. In password, if you type anything it will be hidden because it is a password. It will be also hidden. We have only designed the UI, that's why button will not work. So that's all for this video. In next video we implement the sign up feature using the Firebase. First we will connect Firebase to our application and then we will create account using the Firebase. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below. I will reply for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before going. See you in the next video. Bye bye.